Hey, Mark here with Ninebird Properties. Just wanted to kind of go over two options to sell your house. Cash buyer, like Ninebird Properties, or listed on the market. Some of the differences that come up between the two. If you're looking for top dollar, I always tell sellers, go ahead, list it on the market. Obviously, that comes with some trade-offs. You don't know when it's going to sell, how much is it going to sell for, how's the inspection going to go, is the buyer's financing going to go through, or even will my house sell? There's a lot of properties that end up getting canceled and expired. Different points in time in the market, different areas. Demand may exceed supply, supply may exceed demand. That just fluctuates. But if you're looking for fast and easy, Ninebird Properties is an excellent choice. It's kind of like trading in your car. You can take the car to the dealership, trade it in. Doesn't matter about the tires, doesn't matter about the brakes, doesn't matter about the condition. It's just a fast and easy way to exchange an asset for cash. Here at Ninebird Properties, we have no commissions. We pay all closing costs. There are no fees, and we buy houses in any condition. The process is really easy. Give us a call. We'll come on out, take a look at your house, make you an all-cash offer. You pick the closing date. You sign at the title company, or we'll send a mobile notary out to you any location of your choice. It really is that easy. So if you're looking for fast and easy, give us a call. If you're looking for top dollar, go ahead and give your realtor a call. Anyways, you can reach us 972-996-1839.